These Sunsdrew Mud Flaps are shaped specifically for the latest Toyota Tacoma generations, so they follow the factory lines and look like an original part rather than an add-on. The thick molded plastic feels sturdy in hand and gives reliable protection from road spray, gravel, and slush that would otherwise sandblast the rocker panels and lower doors. Their coverage helps keep mud and dirty water off the side windows, mirrors, and rear lights, which makes foul weather driving a bit safer and less stressful. The no-drill mounting uses existing hardware locations, so installation is straightforward for a careful do-it-yourself owner and does not require modifying the truck body. Once installed, the low-profile design does not hang excessively low, so it avoids looking bulky while still catching most of the debris kicked up by the tires. Overall, these mud flaps are a practical upgrade for Tacoma owners who drive in rain, snow, or on gravel roads and want long-term protection without sacrificing a clean factory appearance.